Those abs, girl. Yes. Killing it. Ooh.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So I am heading to Mykonos for a wedding. And there's a bunch of crazy themes for the wedding, which I think is really cool. The first night is Burning Man themed. And then the next night is all white, so kind of like Mykonos white. If you've ever been to Greece, you know that like all the buildings are white. So everyone's dressing in white for white night. You can get my white nails. And then the next day is beach party. So basically like a beach outfit look. And basically I'm packing right now and I want to show you guys what I'm bringing and all the cool outfits that I'm going to be wearing. Let's start packing. This is my look for Burning Man night. I wanted to go a little bit gladiator, Mad Maxy. I am going to do a braid on one side and then my hair like kind of wavy here for hair. And then for makeup, I want to do like a black liner cat eye with glitter outlined. So this earring is very like Mad Max vibes, which I was going for. And it's by Alexander McQueen. It's a clip-on, super cool. So I definitely want to do the braid on one side so you can really see it. So the leather that I'm wearing is from Zana Bain. And I don't know if you've ever watched Euphoria, but one of the characters, actually a couple of the characters wear this brand. I'm kind of obsessed. It's like very badass. My boots are Chanel. So this is my Burning Man look. This is my look for the white out night. I'm really obsessed. Please don't stare at the wrinkles on the dress. I promise I'll steam it before the party. So my dress is from The Row and it's very cool because it has this thing on the inside. It's like almost like a bustier, but it's really tight, which is nice because it keeps the dress up all night. Typically with strapless things, I'm always like, all night pulling my dress up because it falls, but everything's in place. The girls are in tight. And the shoes I'm wearing are also white and they are Bottega Veneta, which I'm obsessed with. Hashtag old Celine. But the bag is also Bottega Veneta. I know it's not white, but it looks really cute with this outfit, so I'm ready.
Adorable.
Oh my god, I was trying to like hold it in. So the third day of the wedding is like a pool party. And I'm gonna wear this. I have this beach cover up from For Love and Lemons, which I actually wore the skirt to Coachella one year, interestingly enough. And the bathing suit I'm wearing is solid and striped. It's a one piece and it kind of looks like bustier-ish. But yeah, this is my look for the pool party day. So I have all my outfits for all my wedding themed day events. And I'm just gonna pack a few extra little things. I really don't need that many other things because I'm only there for 3 days and only doing these wedding events. But just in case, this is another pool beach outfit look. This is a solid striped bathing suit as well as solid striped pants, beach cover up. But I really like them, they match perfectly and they're like a towel material, so I don't even have to bring a towel to the beach. I can just throw my pants on.
Perfect.
Perfect. So I don't really, as I said, need to pack that many extra things, but I am gonna pack pajamas. This is a little silk tank top and silk shorts from Intimissimi, which I actually just did their campaign and they gifted me a few things. So I'm gonna pack pajamas since I'll be staying in a house with other people. I typically do not wear pajamas. So since I'm going to be around others, I thought might as well pack those, they'll come in handy. Last but not least, and the most important, my travel outfit. They're basically very comfortable. I just remember I'm working. I'm doing something right now. Let's go. Like I was saying, like I was saying, most importantly and last but not least, my travel outfit. I got this little sweatsuit set in the Hamptons, I believe, from a little boutique. The brand is called Leah Lou. They're very comfortable, they match, and I can sleep easily in them. I hate wearing shorts or dresses on the plane. I'm always cold on the plane. I don't like my legs touching the seat. It freaks me out. So I like to cover up as much as possible and be comfortable. Never understood why people dress up on planes and long flights. Like, I always look like I'm about to go to sleep. So yeah, this is my comfy little travel outfit. And that wraps up what I'm packing for my vacation / wedding invitation. But I'm so excited to go to Mykonos, and I will share with you guys some pictures of me in my outfits. Have a great week and see you next time. Thanks for tuning in.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine.